Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Novotel Saigon Centre, and welcome to, now that I've seen this incredible buffet, what I believe to be one of the best buffet lunches that you can get, definitely in Vietnam, but if not all out throughout Asia, because this is really great value, and there is so much on offer. And the other cool part about it is this lunch buffet, they call it International Lunch Buffet, is available every single day, except on Sunday where they do Sunday brunch, which I'm sure you can see in the other video, it's probably going to be even more crazy than this lunch buffet. So we're going to check out what's on offer here today. Now the price essentially is 789,000 plus that's Vietnamese dong for this, and then you can also get in your Accor Plus discount with up to 10 people here to Novotel Saigon Centre, and you can get the 30% discount on the buffet and also 15% off on the drinks. Okay guys, kicking off the buffet, we have the grilled red snapper with the sriracha sauce. Looks absolutely amazing. The beautiful grilled chicken thighs with garlic butter. Wow, this is a beautiful buffet. The grilled lamb leg with fermented bean curd, and here we're going to have the nice sausages and pizza to come. The buffet is just opening soon. Got all the different things here for what looks to be like your soup or pho. Yes, look at this. We've got the Vietnamese beef noodle soup, as well as we can get beef stock, fresh rice, noodles, meatloaf. So you have the different options here for your meats, and then all of your vegetables being very Vietnamese. Over here, noodles, lots of sauces galore for every sauce you could want. Chilies, limes, nice. Continuing on, we have the steamed mussels with the lemongrass. We've got the grilled blood cockles. We've got the grilled basa fish, as well as the grilled shrimp. Wow, look at that, grilled oysters. We got oysters, grilled oysters, look at this. And grilled squid, also the grilled octopus with the satay. That probably going to be my favorite dish. Looks amazing, so cool. Oh, and look at this, we've got fresh seafood up here as well. Oh my gosh, this all looks amazing. Guys, this is a lunch buffet available every single day here at the Novotel Saigon Centre. Hello! Xin chào! What are we doing? We're cooking.
Blood shell, Vietnamese blood shell, this one.
Oh. Okay, nice, okay. We're gonna cook up something here for the chef. Let's see. So guys, this buffet is available every day. 789,000 plus Vietnamese dong. You can get your Accor Plus discount here as well. Comes with all the incredible food that you see here today, as well as some drinks, so tea, coffee, and then they have some juices. And they also have like a selection of a couple of drinks every quarter that change, that are also available for the lunch buffet. It's like a special tea thing that you can see as well. I'll show you guys that very soon as well. We've been creating up some amazing food here, and I love this open kitchen. You can see the team working. So nice. Big pizza oven in the background there. Oh, look at this. Got the fire going. Nice. Ooh, some wine. So cool. So that's the cool part about it as well. Not only can you get an incredible meal like with this amazing food, but you can also get a cool show as well from the team. You can watch them cook right here in the live kitchen. All the incredible options here. And this is available every day for the lunch, except on the Sunday where they do a Sunday brunch. So essentially they have a buffet every single day for the lunchtime, following the buffet breakfast that's available in the hotel. Very cool. So yeah, 789,000 plus available throughout the week, also on Saturdays. Oh, fire. It is the International Lunch Buffet, only here at the Novotel Saigon Centre. For the hot dishes here, we got the braised beef with the green pepper, we've got the stir-fried broccoli with the shrimp, as well as the yongjiao fried rice. Man, all this food looks absolutely amazing. Chicken and shiitake mushroom soup, and also the creamy potato soup as well. Coming over this side, we're going to have, wow, turkey cream pasta. Look at that, turkey and pasta, cream sauce. Oh my gosh. Mexican chili grilled chicken wings, and also mashed potato, and then pork cottage pie, as well as here we're going to have the crispy fried basa fish, and also the grilled pork ribs with barbecue sauce. Oh my gosh, guys, this buffet for lunch is incredible. And it continues over here. Look at this. We're going to have then the bacon wrapped beef ribs with mustard sauce. Oh my gosh. Could this be the best lunch buffet that I've seen? I think it could be very close to, if not the best. Sprout greens and chicken salad. Look at the salads here. Salads look amazing. Green salad with sesame dressing, Vietnamese green mango and shrimp salad, as well as Vietnamese taro and octopus salad, and then also the Vietnamese rice vermicelli rolls. Wow, grilled chicken skewers. It looks amazing. And look at this, avocado and shrimp salad. Oh my gosh, this food's amazing. Cheeses galore, brie cheese and edamame cheese and all the different cheeses available. Wow, look at this, cold cuts. So many cold cuts available here as well. Oh, and we come more into the fresh seafood with the fresh oysters here. Oh, sashimi as well. Sashimi station, tuna, salmon, maybe mackerel, and they got the seaweed rolls there as well. Here's your salad bar. Oh my gosh, guys, this is just a lunch. Wait for the seafood dinner buffet. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait for the dinner buffet. Make sure you check that out in the video as well. And we continue on with the salad bar. Many salad selections here. So many options. Wow, look at this. Crazy. Oh my gosh, sushi galore. 789,000 plus for this incredible lunch buffet. And we got the tiger prawns, as well as the seafood on ice here with the chili blue mussels as well. Oh my gosh, so amazing. The agar, which is like a Vietnamese pudding, pandan pudding, as well as pandan cotta. Wow, look at this, macarons. And all this is done here in the hotel as well. Baked fresh daily for the lunch buffet. Wow, royal pistachio mousse, banana tarts, as well as lovely creme brulee. And then we have the beautiful cream caramel. And of course, the steamed banana cake. Look at that, oh my gosh. Wow, this is delightful. Palm sugar, roasted peanuts. We have the steamed layer cake. We've also got cassava roll cake. Look at all this stuff. There is so many things to discover. Oh, ice cream time. So they do have chocolate ice cream. They do have passion fruit sorbet. And also they have strawberry ice cream as well. All of the different toppings and things here. And then you do have a bread station here as well. Although with all the other things, I don't think you need bread. Fruit station, you got passion fruit, dragon fruit, as well as papaya. And then you do have the, so, oh wow, cherries, grapes, bananas, and then the jackfruit, and also watermelon. Finish off with the pizza. We got the mozzarella and cheese and tomato pizza to finish us off. Wow. And we also have these juices available. As I said, apple juice as well as guava juice will change. They got also those handcrafted juices, always farm fresh, made in Vietnam. So cool. The lunch buffet, the international lunch buffet here at the Novotel Saigon Centre. One definitely to come and enjoy when you are next in Ho Chi Minh City. So cool.